It used to be if you wanted a vacuum engine or something similar to this, you had to make it yourself. And you were probably a home machinist in a club and probably had contact with other people who had the same interest. Going out and buying one of these, you're not going to be as familiar as some of the idiosyncrasies that may exist in trying to run and maintain one of these engines. One of the products of combustion is water vapor. And when we start to fire up this engine, this brass cylinder is cold. When you suck that fire inside there, the water vapor will start to condense on the inside of this cylinder. And if that mixes with that fine powder we put in there as a dry lubricant, and we end up getting kind of a sticky mess. I previously said I didn't think it was a good idea to preheat one of these. I've changed my mind on that. When you first start to heat the cylinder, you'll see moisture condense on this cold brass from the fire of the propane torch. Not ready for that yet. So just warm it up gently. Turn your fire down as small as possible. Heat it on both sides. Don't burn your plastic. Check it, see how hot it's getting. Don't heat your little handle, you'll be latching onto that here in a minute. And this usually needs to run for a couple of minutes before it gets to operating temperature, then it'll run a little faster.